Get ready. Start. Infringement of trademarks as per section 29 of the Trademarks Act 1999 is defined as a use of a mark by an unauthorized or an authorized person or a person who is not the registered proprietor, which is identical or deceptively similar to the trademark in relation to the goods or services in respect of which the trademark is registered. In simple words, it is defined as the violation of the exclusive rights that are attached to a registered trademark without the permission of the registered owner or licensees. The courts have time and again assumed that similarity of two marks and the kind of goods and services results in causing confusion in the minds of general public. They may take an undue advantage of enjoying the hard earned reputation of the registered trademark. In order to have a successful claim against a person infringement of trademark, what needs to be proved is that the infringing trademark is deceptively similar or identical to the registered trademark. A registered trademark is said to be infringed in case of the following situations: if the mark in dispute is identical with or deceptively similar to the registered trademark and is in relation to the same or similar goods and services. If the identical or similar mark can cause confusion in the minds of general public to have an association with the registered trademark, if the registered trademark is used as a part of trade name or business concern for goods and services in respect of which the trademark is registered, if the trademark is advertised and as a result it takes unfair advantage or is contrary to the honest practices or is detrimental to the distinctive character and reputation of the registered trademark. If the registered trademark is used in the material meant for packing or labeling of other goods or as a business paper without due authorization of the registered user, what is passing off? Passing is recognized as a common law tort which is used to protect and enforce unregistered trademarks in India. Like protection of trademarks, passing off also prevents a person from misrepresenting its goods and services from that of the other. The concept of passing off has emerged in the recent past. It has extended its ambit from goods to businesses and services. Today, it is even applied to many forms of unfair trading and competition. There are three elements of passing off, popularly known as the classical trinity. These include reputation, misrepresentation, and damage to goodwill. Common law courts have come up with a few basic characteristics of passing off, which include the following: 1. Misrepresentation. 2. Made by a person in the course of trade. 3. To prospective or ultimate consumers of goods and services. 4. To injure the business or goodwill of the other persons. 5. It causes actual damage to the person. by whom the action is brought about. The difference between infringement and passing off of a trademark are given below. Infringement, passing off, statutory remedy, common law remedy. Registration of trademark is required. Registration of trademark is not a prerequisite. Plaintiff is only required to establish that infringing mark is deceptively similar to the registered mark in respect of similar goods, services, and no further proof is required afterwards, as there is presumption of confusion. Plaintiff is not only required to establish deceptive similarity of two contesting mark, but also required to prove deception or confusion among public and likelihood of injury to the plaintiff's goodwill. Prosecution under criminal remedies is easier. Prosecution under criminal remedies is relatively harder. Benefit of instituting the suit under Section 134 of the Trademarks Act 1999 is available, wherein the registered proprietor or registered user of the trademark can institute the suit where they actually and voluntarily resides or carries on business or personally work for gain. Such benefit is not available, and the regular rules of jurisdiction provided under Section 20 of Civil Procedure Code apply. That is, passing off action has to be filed where the defendant resides or carried on business, or cause of actions has arisen. An action for infringement for registered trademark or tort of passing off for both registered as well as unregistered trademark are essentially two ways of achieving the same objective, that is, protection of goodwill attached with a mark. In India, a combined action for infringement and passing off is permissible. However, both technically two different concepts, and the difference between the two is highlighted above.